What's going on, Ulysses?
Not much. How you doing?
Good, good, man. What's up with you, man? When's your upcoming fight?
Upcoming fights. I just actually met with some promoters. And we're talking about signing a contract for 5 fights each year, some TV fights. Let's talk about June.
June. Yeah. And are you going to mention the name who you're signing with, or not yet? Is it confidential?
Not until everything's finalized and it's 100%.
And how does it feel to be a California state champ?
Feels good. I I want the world titles, but I take the state titles. It's part of the road to the top. So just taking one fight at a time.
And they mentioned that you sparred Andre Ward for 5 weeks. You were his sparring partner for Kovalev. What was that experience, man? How was it?
Oh, it was a blessing, man. It was an absolute blessing. I learned a tremendous amount just being in the camp, watching them, and being in the ring, sharing the ring with them. It was a great experience.
And you mentioned you learned something. What did you learn from him exactly?
Just like little tactics, like just little things that you can only learn if you're actually in there with him. It's like the little things he does that makes him great. So.
All right, and we got some upcoming fights coming up. Garcia versus Thurman. Who do you like on that one?
I'm Puerto Rican, so I'm gonna have to go with my Puerto Rican boy Garcia.
And favorite Puerto Rican food?
Puerto Rican food?
Yeah.
Pasteles.
Okay, and Canelo versus Chavez. Who do you like on that one?
I give Chavez a puncher's chance.
Okay. And Klitschko versus Joshua.
I think Joshua is probably the best in the division. I see him as the new face of the heavyweight division.
Danny Jacobs versus Triple G.
I'm swinging with Jacobs on that fight. I think he's just gonna catch him like he caught Quillen, fresh like in the early rounds, and maybe just stun him and get him out of there.
All right. And you got a message for your fans?
Just keep supporting me. Hopefully, I'll see you guys on the big screen sometime soon.
And where can people follow you on social media?
You can follow me on. I don't have social media, but I got Facebook, Ulysses Sierra. You can follow my athlete page, my Snapchat, Ulysses Sierra Jr. That's really all I got. No Instagram, nothing like that.
All right. Thank you for your time.
Yeah.